Hi, I'm Marna, and when I first started collecting dolls, I knew better than to get Barbies. And I knew that if I got Barbies, I should get little Barbies. Well, now I have Barbies in every size they make, and I have great big Barbies, and I have probably too many Barbies. And I just bought some more Barbies the other day, but they're tiny and they're cute. Somewhere in this house, I have the world's smallest Barbies. And I have been planning this video for, has it been 3 weeks? Looking for those tiny Barbies, and guess what? I put them up, and I forgot where up is. So anyway, I don't have the world's the world's smallest Barbies to compare them to, but I am pretty sure this is the same. I found these Mattel Barbies at the dollar store, and they had 2 different types, and I only bought 3. I know. I wanted to fill the cart. I wanted to give them as gifts, but I did not. Anyway, let's take them out and see what we've got. Okay, they are attached to the stand, which in reality I like. This one has braids, 2 braids. I really like that. We bought the astronaut Barbie last fall, and I was very disappointed to find out that her hair was chopped off, and I mean chopped off. Okay, here's what I need for someone to do. Measure your world's smallest Barbie and tell me if this is the same mold or a little different. I've got 2.5 inches. Now these are the Barbies to collect because 2.5 inches. But they had the astronaut and the baseball player, and I like that she has the Mattel logo, Barbie logo, on her baseball shirt. I think they're really cute, and these would make really nice gifts, seriously, for not only a child, but also a doll collector. They're $1. You could be generous. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Most of all, please measure your world's smallest Barbie and tell me, are they the same size? Thank you.